A strong western disturbance is approaching Jammu and Kashmir. Under its influence, heavy snowfall can happen from today evening and it will continue for at least 2 days. Very heavy in mountainous belts, but plains are also going to receive a substantial snowfall. We've been joined by Mr. Mukhtar Ahmed, who's senior scientist, IMD. So this time around, you have come with proper color warnings. I think yellow for today, tomorrow, and then orange. Can you tell us about this weather system?
Yeah, thank you. It has been a forecast for an active WD since last 5-6 days. So system is going to intensify and it will impact from today evening. So the peak activity is around today midnight to tomorrow midnight, and thereafter from 6th onwards it will be gradually, intensity will decrease, and from 6th afternoon it will move easternward, and weather will be clear from 6th afternoon onwards. So having said that, moderate spell of snow is expected in plains also around 5 to 8 inch, 10 inch at some places. And in some middle and higher reach, it may receive heavy snowfall, and some extreme higher reach, it may receive very heavy snowfall also. In plains of Jammu, it can receive moderate intensity rain, and higher reach of Jammu, it can receive moderate to heavy snowfall. So it's a wet spell during next 2 days, and we had given a yellow alert for...
Exactly, so yellow and orange alerts you have given. So for our viewers, can you explain what that means? What does yellow mean and what does orange?
So these color warnings we are given in order to sensitize general public in view of inclement weather. So just to keep a watch on inclement weather, we are giving a yellow warning. Depending upon impact, it can become severe, and we can upgrade these warnings to orange, where people can keep themselves updated about weather. And for red warnings, where you have to be alert and you have to take action. So for day one, for today, we had given yellow color warning, and for tomorrow, we had given orange color warnings for whole Jammu and Kashmir, especially the hill areas of Jammu and Kashmir.
Right. And sir, talking of the advisory to the government and their preparations, because last time we know many vehicles got stuck, people had to face a lot of problems. So this time around, proper advisories have gone to the government, and are you hopeful that they'll be ready, and this time around no such inconvenience will happen?
Yeah, we are even intimating twice a day, morning and even through evening and morning forecast. And even that also we are updating through our social media page and all this. And even the media briefing is also very much common since last 2-3 days, because in view of inclement weather and high impact WD is approaching.
Last question, sir. Talking of the fog, first time this season we've seen dense fog in Srinagar, also Kashmir also. But if you talk of North India, flight operations have been impacted, train operations, zero visibility on the Palam airport. So what really has brought this dense fog down, and what is the prediction on that for the next few days?
Especially since last few spell, it has substantially increased the relative humidity of the atmosphere, particularly over North Indian plains as well as in hilly areas, including Jammu and Kashmir. And 3-4 conditions are actually essential for development of fog. First one is you have relative humidity more than 75%, then you should have clear skies during night. And third one is there should be no wind or calm wind should be there. So these conditions are satisfying, and we had seen fog since last 3-4 days. And in coming days also, from 7th onwards, fog will again redevelop here in some pockets of Jammu and Kashmir, especially the plains of Jammu as well as plains of Valley.
Right. And Delhi?
In Delhi and northern plains also, fog is expected from 7th onwards.
Right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So that was Dr. Mukhtar Ahmed in detail explaining about why the fog is prevalent right now, what really has led to the dense fog. But more importantly, good news for Jammu and Kashmir, and especially Kashmir, because heavy snowfall is coming. Strong WDs will impact weather patterns in Jammu and Kashmir, especially the valley, from today evening and then continue till 6th. Heavy snowfall in the mountainous areas, which could range between 2 to 4 feet, and as far as plains are concerned, they could also receive snowfall of around 1 feet. So bumper snowfall predicted, but obviously the authorities need to be prepared for this. Last time they were caught napping, but this time around proper advisories have been given, and government has also set up control rooms, snow control rooms and other things, so that people don't face inconvenience. So bumper snowfall expected, and the weather will change from today evening. Camperson, Tariq Loan, Meet Farid, Srinagar for India Today.